Hi viewers, Namaste. Welcome to our channel. Today's special recipe is fruit custard. Today's Sunday, so we need freshness. It gives sweet memory to your family. For this recipe, we need half liter boiled milk, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of fresh cream, and fruit mixture with some sugar. First we take half liter boiled milk is divided into two parts, two equal parts. Okay, half liter milk is divided into two equal parts. Next we add custard powder. 2 tablespoons of custard powder is added to milk. First we add 1 tablespoon of custard powder and another tablespoon of custard powder. Next we add corn flour. 1 tablespoon of corn flour is added to milk. Next we add fresh cream. 1 tablespoon of fresh cream is added to milk. Continuously stir. After that we take first part of milk. First part of milk we take for boiling. For boiling we take another bowl. After boiling of milk, we add sugar. We add 4 tablespoons of sugar, or sugar is added as per your taste. Next, we add second part of milk. Let's take second part of milk and stir again. Add to milk. After that, continuously stir the mixture to avoid formation of lumps and set low flame till 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we see this consistency. This is final step. Over. Stove is off. And removing this bowl from stove and cool down. After completely cool down, we transfer this mixture into another box and add fruit mix. After adding this, after mixing of fruits, we tied the box with lid and refrigerate 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, we add some fruits mixture to it. And serve to your family. Enjoy it. Fruit custard. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.